Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rita and I'm a makeup artist, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Garnier skincare mask, and it's for the combination skin. So let's see how this will perform. Okay guys, so today we're going to review this Garnier sheet mask. It's the ultra hydrating rebalancing mask, and this is for the combination skin. That means if you have oily parts and dry patches in your face. So I do have more oily to combination skin, so my outer perimeter of my skin is a bit dry, but the most of my skin is very oily. So I'm going to apply this mask today, and it's a 15 minutes sheet mask. So it comes like that, and when you open it, there's the sheet mask, and it has a very generous amount of serum in it, or product. So I'm just going to unfold the mask, and you need to remove the blue area of the mask. So just removing that. Now I'm just going to apply the mask to my skin. I was trying to make it. I'm just applying it first to the forehead area. It does have a little bit of a smell, like a fresh floral smell, but it's not very powerful. Now it's a little bit small, it's not very big. So you just need to adjust it to your face and make it cover your face as much as possible. Now I look very scary. So I'm now going to leave it on my skin for 15 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now 15 minutes have passed, and I'm going to remove the mask and see how my skin looks like. It's definitely a very nice, fresh feeling. Now we're supposed to massage the serum into the skin until it's all absorbed. Don't forget your neck. Okay, so it's very smooth feeling, very slippy. Takes a bit of time to absorb, but it's definitely absorbing into my skin. Always massage the skin upwards. Also under the eyes. So it's all absorbed now into the skin. My skin feels really plump and hydrated. It's a bit sticky, but I think the stickiness feeling would definitely go away. So this is how my skin looks like after the serum is all absorbed. As you can see, it looks very dewy and very hydrated. So the mask says on the back, in 15 minutes the skin is intensely rehydrated, which I agree with that. Skin is rebalanced and skin is visibly clearer. I don't see clearer skin, but I definitely see that it's rehydrated and rebalanced. And it says in 1 week the T-zone is mattified, skin's quality is improved, and pores are less visible. So I'll definitely be trying this mask again to see in 1 week how it's going to my skin would look like. Definitely interested in getting my T-zone mattified and pores minimized, so I'll definitely try it again. I'll let you guys know how my skin would look like after 1 week of using this mask. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's review of the Garnier Skin Active Hydra Bomb Tissue Mask, and this is the green one for normal to combination skin, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!